Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to check your carbon credit score. Now here's the thing, Carbon doesn't show you a raw credit score number the way transaction credit bureaus do. But here's how your scoring works and what you can actually check and influence. Now for how to check it, open the app which is here and check your current loan offer limit each time. This is usually your best visible proxy for your score. Then look at your transaction history and loan repayment history in the app. They are largely what feeds your internal risk model. If you have a business account, Carbon sometimes shows more explicit eligibility indicators tied to your account activity. Now here's what actually proves it. Repay loan every time, use the app consistently for transfers, keep steady predictable inflows into your linked bank account, keep your BVN name and bank details identical across every application, because inconsistency looks risky. Avoid applying for loans back to back without real gaps. So investors suspect this can hurt more than help. If you have savings or investment products with Carbon, use them too. An engaged customer profile across products tends to look better than a loan-only relationship. Now, to be realistic, Carbon's model isn't fully transparent and plenty of users report their limits shrinking even with a clear repayment record. So there is no guarantee formula, just best practices that generally help. If your score shows limit drops without explanation despite good behavior, it's worth reaching out to their support and asking for a manual review. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.